Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn Code for You. In today's video we are going to see what are data types in JavaScript. Firstly, I have just created a one HTML file in which I have just added some basic code and script tag. So previously we have just learned what is variable. So if you don't know what is variable, so please watch the previous video. So in today's video, we are going to see what kind of values we can assign to a variable. So let's start with some basic one. So first of all, in the JavaScript, we can assign a text to a variable, which is we called a data type of string. So let's just I add the one string here, learn code. So this is a string type which we can assign to a variable. So if I am just right here, document dot write, and I'm going to just print this one. So you can see here we are printing the learn code. So if we want to see what is the data type of this, we can use here. Firstly, let's just create me a beer tag here. So we can see in the next line. Document dot write. So to see the type of the variable, we can use type of function. So in here I am just passing the x variable. So if I am saving this one in the browser, we can see this is a string data type. So there are other data types also, like very basic one. We can also assign the variable a value of number. This is a number data type which we can assign to a variable. So if I'm seeing this one in the browser, so we can see the data type of this one as number. So there are other data types also. We can also assign a true or false value, which is a data type of which is a data type boolean. So we can also assign the value true or false to a variable. So please make sure if you're assigning any boolean value to any variable, please don't add string here, like quotes here. So if you save this one, you can see this is now picking this as a data type of string. So if I'm removing this one, and after removing the quotes, we can see this is a boolean data type. So there are also other data types, like if I am just not assign any value to variable, like just I have add here a variable y. So I have not defined any value to it. So I've just, if I am printing this one here, so by default, the variable having a value of data type undefined, because we don't define any value to it. So by default, the data type of a variable is undefined. So now if let's see one another type, which is we called array. So array is basically a list in which we are storing a data type, like I have just adding here 1, 2 and 3. So I have just created an array of number type. So if I am just printing this one, So what will we see in the browser? Let's see. So in the browser, we will see object, because in the JavaScript, if we are checking the type of an array, the JavaScript will always return us a object, because object and array in the JavaScript is are the same type. So what is a object? So let's create a one object also. So if I'm just creating, just remove this one. So if I'm just assigning the value to x like this one in the curly braces, and I'm just giving a name of the key to the variable like name, and giving a one value like James, and another key like age in the quotes, and value is like 20. So if I am printing this one, then we will see object, because we can't print the object directly like this, like previously we are showing this x, like if I am assigning any another data type, so we will able to see the value of the x, but we can't see directly the value of object. We will see this one in the upcoming videos. We will also create the tutorial regarding the arrays and objects. So there is also one thing. So if I am just adding a value to x is equal to null. So what do you think? What will be the data type of this? So let's see. So if I am just giving the value to any variable equal to null, then it is also a object. So before wrapping this video, I have also want to show you that, like if I am using the variable as in number, so let's just move this part below. So here, if I'm assigning a value like this one, 12.50, so this is an decimal value. So this is also a type of number in the JavaScript. So you can see this is also a type of number. But if you are assigning a this in the quotes, like we are adding this in the quotes numerical value, then if we are seeing this one also, this will act as a string. So yeah, that is it for the today's video. So I hope you have able to learn the data types in the JavaScript. So if you have any question, please write down below in the comment section, and I will meet you in the next video. So till then, goodbye.